Now check it. I'm a legend. They refer to me as Alamat. I'm about to crush this Jinja and turn him into Salabat. But for my final bars, I have a different battle plan. I will use my Jollibee call center accent so everyone can understand. I'm here to leave a lasting impression on Mark like a cattle brand. Break his heart like a Thunder fan because I'm teacher's enemy, #1. Tagalog or English, I'm flexible like a rubber band. You want to Mortal Kombat with me, Mr. Russell Brand? I'm like Goro with the 4 arms. I got the upper hand. Now this is something that you cannot extinguish. It's gruesome when I depict this, and you cannot distinguish. Do you know what else rhymes with distinguish? Extinguish, relinquish, tsaka pukin ang ina yung mga British na uubusan na ako ng English!